Guys, so welcome back to another quick tutorial video. So today I'm going to show you how to fix music on Facebook story. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will open our Facebook mobile application. Then from here you can see the option of create a story. You simply have to click on this. After that you have to select the music option at the top. Or it will show you a bunch of popular songs, or you could just click browse to select a song from the specific category and then add that to your Facebook story. And somehow if this isn't working correctly, or perhaps you see this and you click on this and it does not always show you the actual song, I'll show you two main things that you could try to make sure it's working again. So the very first thing, you need to exit out of here and go to your Google Play Store. Here you have to search for Facebook, and then you have to make sure that your app is up to date. It will either says open or update right next to the Facebook app if it means that you are using the updated version, but unfortunately if it says update, it means that you need to update your app as soon as possible. You will have the latest and greatest features that the Facebook offers, and also that you have it already accessible to listen the music. Always make sure you are using the latest version of the app. If it isn't work, go to settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on Facebook. Here you have to go to permissions, and here you have to make sure that all of the permissions for Facebook are allowed. You have to go back, you have to click on storage and cache. Here you have to clear cache and clear storage for Facebook. After that all of your problems will be solved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.